All right, so we have our graph here, and this is the PDX population graph that you created last week. And it starts at 1850, and it goes all the way up to 2010 is our data points. And last week, you drew a linear trend line that kind of followed these points and kind of cut through them like this. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this trend line and we're gonna find the growth rate of the trend line. Now, all your trend lines are gonna be a little bit different, so you should probably have close numbers, but not exactly the same as each other. So let's look, and what I'm looking for is just nice points on this graph. Now, nothing's gonna be perfect, so you can actually pick points anywhere. So I'm just gonna choose these 2 points, right? As they fall exactly on our trend line, and I'm gonna draw a right triangle. Right? And I can shade it in so you can see it a little bit better. So in order for us to find our growth rate, we need to know how much it increases over a certain amount of time. Now the time I kind of got, because I know that each one of these thick lines to thick line is 10 years. Sorry, my handwriting is a little sloppy since I'm drawing upside down. But now I need to figure out in those 10-year span, how much does the population grow? So I look at my scale and I know that each one of these little lines, which are super hard to see here, are 10,000 people. So we have one group of 10,000, two groups of 10,000, and then three groups of 10,000. So in 10 years, our population grew by 30,000 people. So to find our growth rate, we take our rate of change of our people and divide it by how many years. So we got 30,000 people divided by 10 years, which is equal to 3,000 people per year. And that's how we find a growth rate of a linear line.